Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, August 23. Time is around 7 GMT and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart and like I already discussed in the previous videos, we are working here on this wave 4 correction. This is our area where the wave 4 correction should go or end. So this area is quite big. So now we have to see what exactly will happen from here, which kind of correction can play out, or maybe the correction has already finished. So let's go through a couple of scenarios. First of all, I believe we finished here the correction, or the first part of the correction. I changed the internals here of this structure, but that does not really matter. Like, it just looks better this as a cycle, this as a cycle, and then your WXY comes here. WXY ABC ABC. So this looks a better count for me now. So I believe in the primary scenario we have finished here or wave Y, which would mean that the overall correction can be finished here. But like I said, this area is quite big. We cannot exclude something like a bigger WXY, and then we would have W X, Y down. So if you look at my other videos, this is something we see now among the indices, like a first part, or especially like the Dow Jones is in a similar situation. Like this looks mature. Let's say the first part of the correction or the correction, and now we have to see what happens here with this move to the upside. Do we succeed and do we take out this high? Then of course correction was in, and or do we get some kind of fake rally, or a rally that will fail to the upside and then go down again? Then it would mean that we have this double correction. However, an alternative scenario I also want to show here is it's an alternative scenario. Primary scenario is that we have some kind of low in here that finishes this correction, or that finishes at least the first part of the correction. And if we would take out this low, we can still do something in 5 waves. 1, 2, then this here becomes our 3. Here we have our wave 4, and then we should have a wave 5 down, and then we can actually have an ABC as a wave 4 correction. So then we have an impulse as a wave A, then a wave B up, and then a wave C down again as an impulse. So now it looks better like a WXY structure, like we're moving in 3. So like 1, 2, 3, and here also 1, 2, 3, and overall 1, 2, 3. So that's why I would opt for a WXY. However, if we get another leg down here, then it becomes an impulse, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I would go for a wave A, wave B up, and wave C down. But in order this to be a wave 4, we should start to turn down. I'm sorry, we have to do it like this, of course, here, because our wave, we still have some space for a bit more upside here in the wave 4. So the wave 4 is supposed to go here into this area between actually the 0.146 and the 0.618. 8. So let's put this area here on the graph. So we still have a bit more. We can still have a bit more upside here as a wave 4, but then yeah, we should go down and have this final leg here as a wave 5, ending divergence. But this is not my primary scenario. I would go for a WXY. And then, yeah, the question is our wave 4 in here, or do we have this rally to the upside, which will fail, and then we go down again? So let's have a look at the 1 hour. So at the 1 hour, so let's continue with the scenario in green, the primary scenario. You know about the the secondary scenario, the scenario in red. If it plays out, I already think that like that this should be the way for high, because it looks like then this becomes the ABC, like A, B, and then this extended wave C here. This then should be the wave for high. So if you believe in this scenario, this might actually be then a short opportunity. Then you can short against this high here. This would be your invalidation level. But yeah, for me, I don't know. I don't find this really a reliable setup. First of all, because I believe more in this scenario and the WXY scenario, not in the 5 waves, but I put it on the charts because it's possible, and I mean, I like to be prepared for everything. So I always consider multiple scenarios, because the market is beyond what I want. The market will do what it wants to do. I just have to be prepared and know when I can enter and when I cannot enter. And so, like, if we look at this here at this structure now, so then the question becomes, if this here was our wave Y, and we need now upside, like in a bigger so if we assume that the bigger WXY correction will come, so that we have here wave W, that we now need wave X and then wave Y down again. So maybe let's put it on the charts. So this would something mean like this here. Let's put it in a higher degree. So this WXY is part of this wave W, and now we need a wave X to the upside. Our target area for this wave X would be the area here between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracements. So that is where our wave X should go. And now the question is, how will we go there? Which kind of move? And therefore we look at the 15 minutes. So it could be that we do it as an ABC, but like it looks like if we take out this high, it will be without divergence. So first I was counting here on an ABC, 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have reaction here from the area where our wave 4 should should end, I was counting on a wave 5 to the upside, and then we would have something like this: A, B, C as a wave X. But now I start to doubt about, like, it looks like if we take out this high, this will not be with divergence, so it cannot be 5 waves. So I would I would do it like this. Actually, I think this is a better structure. So A, B, C, lower degree, and then here instead we also get a WXY, like wave W, wave X, and then wave Y. In the minute degree, yes, like this here. And then, okay, yeah, we have reaction from this wave 4 area, but I do not really believe in it anymore. So let me just put my main ID on the chart, like something like like this then. Yeah, so we moved in 3 here: 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, wave W. And then now if we would get this like this wave X also as 3 waves, corrective move, 1, 2, 3 down into this area, and then from here we can expect another move up to go into this area. So this would be my forecast for the Nasdaq. So there is a chance here in my secondary scenario that we had a wave 4 here, and that we take out this low here with the final leg to the downside, wave 5. However, this is not my primary scenario, because based on other niches, like based on the DAX, I would say it looks like this low here will hold, and also in the in the 4 hour, it looks like we are now doing this this upward, that we are in an upward cycle. So what could happen is, okay, something like this, we go a bit more down into this area, so down here, but then we continue our upward movement till we reach a level where the wave X can end. So this would be my expectation for the Nasdaq. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.